The Associate of Science General Transfer Degree. In this video, we will cover the advantages of earning an AS General degree, including the Direct Transfer Agreement, how to determine if the AS General degree is the best match for your goals, including which majors the AS General degree can help prepare you for, the requirements to complete an AS General degree, and how and where to get assistance creating an educational plan to complete your AS General degree. The Associate of Science General degree allows you to complete 90 credits towards a bachelor's degree while at the community college. The AS General degree allows you to fulfill some or all of the general education requirements for most Washington State four-year colleges and universities, along with prerequisites for your intended major. The AS General degree is a DTA, or Direct Transfer Agreement degree. This means that most Washington State four-year colleges and universities may agree to accept all 90 credits from your degree for transfer, and you may be able to transfer with junior status. The DTA does not guarantee you admission to a university, but in some cases may give you priority over other transfer students without a degree, provided all admission prerequisites and GPA requirements are met. Some colleges and universities have special scholarships reserved for transfer students with a DTA degree and minimum GPA. Please note that completing the requirements for an AS degree does not ensure that you have met university admission requirements. It is important to meet with an advisor to ensure you are completing not only your AS degree requirements, but also the specific university and major admission requirements for your chosen school. The AS degree is appropriate for many students planning to major in the natural sciences. Natural science majors include areas such as earth science, environmental science, computer science, and mathematics. Students planning to major in biology or chemistry may choose the Associate of Science option number 1 instead, and students planning to major in engineering or physics may choose the Associate of Science option number 2 instead. However, if option number 1 or number 2 are chosen, you may lose certain benefits associated with the DTA degree. Therefore, students planning to major in these areas may want to consider the Associate of Science General degree, depending on your intended school and specific major prerequisites. You should meet with an academic advisor to determine which AS degree is the best choice for your educational goals. The AS General degree consists of a total of 90 credits. These are distributed in 4 areas: 20 credits in basic requirements, 15 credits each in visual, literary, and performing arts and individuals, cultures, and societies, and 40 credits in natural world. There is also a U.S. Cultures and Global Studies requirement. We will now go over these degree requirements in detail. The basic requirements section of the AS General degree consists of 10 credits of composition, 5 credits of math, and 5 credits of computer science. English 101 and English 102 are the required composition classes. No other classes can substitute for this requirement. The 5-credit math requirement must be met with Math 120, 141, 142, 151, 152, or 153. No other classes can substitute for this requirement. The 5-credit computer science requirement must be met with either CSC 110, 111, 142, or 143. The Visual, Literary, and Performing Arts section of the AS General degree includes classes in art, communication, drama, English, humanities, music, or world languages. 15 credits are chosen from this table. You must include at least 2 course prefixes or subjects in this area, so you could not take all art or all communication classes as an example. Some important restrictions to be aware of in this section relate to world language and studio or performance classes. Only 5 credits of world language at the 100 level can count towards VLPA requirements. This means if you took Spanish 121 and 122, only 1 class would count towards VLPA. Since the AS General degree does not have an elective section, the second class would be extra credits beyond the 90 credits required for the degree, but would likely still transfer to a university. Also, only 5 credits of studio or performance classes can count towards VLPA requirements. This would include classes such as painting, acting, or choir. Studio or performance classes are indicated with an asterisk on the VLPA table. The Individuals, Cultures, and Societies section of the AS degree includes classes in economics, history, international studies, political science, psychology, sociology, and other social sciences. 15 credits are chosen from this table. Like the VLPA section, you must include at least 2 course prefixes or subjects in this area, so you could not take all history or all psychology classes as an example. There are no other special restrictions in this section. The Natural World section of the AS General degree includes classes in astronomy, biology, chemistry, environmental science, geology, physics, and other natural sciences. 40 credits are chosen from this table. You must include at least 3 course prefixes or subjects in this area, so you could not take only biology and chemistry classes as an example. You are required to take a minimum of 10 credits of lab science in this section. Lab classes are indicated with an asterisk on the course table. You are also required to complete at least one 2-quarter sequence in this section. Sequences will tend to have numbered titles, such as General Chemistry 1, 2, and 3, or Calculus 1, 2, and 3, but some sequences do not. Meet with an advisor to ensure that your educational plan includes the required sequence. The U.S. Cultures or Global Studies requirement involves picking one class from the lists found at the bottom of page 2 of the AS degree worksheet. This class fits into the other areas of the degree, such as Visual, Literary, and Performing Arts, Individuals, Cultures, and Societies, or Natural World. For further information about the AS General degree and for assistance in developing an educational plan, contact Advising. Check out our website at www.northseattle.edu/enroll/advise, or you can email us at advisornorth@sccd.ctc.edu, or call to schedule an appointment with an advisor. Call 206-527-3658 between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Summer hours may vary. Advisors are available extended hours the week before the quarter begins and the first 2 weeks of the quarter on a drop-in basis. Starting week 3 of the quarter, advisors are available on an appointment basis. Advising is located on the 2nd floor of the College Center building within Student Success Services. This now concludes the video for the Associate of Science General Transfer degree.